What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Throttle North. I realized last night after I had uploaded that video about my autocrossing the last couple months, I was talking over the exhaust sound, which is what I wanted you to hear in the first place. So, one, I apologize for that. Two, in this video, I'm just going to let the two videos play so you can compare the interior sound from the stock exhaust. I'm going to play that video first from back in April, and then I will play the video from July, but I have a Windows Up version that will sound a little bit better, so I will play that one in July, and you can hear what it sounds like in the cabin while autocrossing with the APR exhaust and just kind of the difference it makes. It does make a difference. I think it sounds really good. Let me be clear on that. It sounds really good for autocross. So, with my big 5,000-mile road trip I have coming up later this year, I think, I'm going to be returning that back to stock. And that is the video I started yesterday, in addition to the video I posted last night. So keep an eye out for that. I'm either going to return it back to stock tomorrow or this weekend. I do have a race this weekend, so it'll be funny if I showed up with a stock exhaust because everybody has heard my APR exhaust now, which again sounds really good for autocross, but not so much for daily driving. So without further ado, here are the two videos. The first one is from April 26th, I believe, and the second one is from July 11th. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more autocrossing content, please leave a comment down below. If you have any suggestions at all on how I should place my GoPro in the cabin, I think I do like it up high behind me so I can see my hand movement. If you have any recommendations, please let me know. I think I have a solution. We'll find out Saturday if it works. But anyways, I'm rambling now. On to the exhaust videos, which are racing videos, but you can hear the exhaust. Anyways, here we go.
Car 16 on track.
So what'd you think? Did you like the stock exhaust better or the APR exhaust better? I don't know if you could hear it in the APR exhaust video. There was significantly more pops. At least that's what it sounded like to me. Instead of like 3 pops, there was like 4 to 6 pops whenever I would let off the gas after hard acceleration. So if you like this video, please smash that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below on how bad my driving is, and I'll see you in the next one, which may or may not be tomorrow night. Definitely going to post something Saturday night because that is the next race day. So if you want to not miss that, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you then. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.